Hey pool owners, are you tired of spending hours skimming leaves and scrubbing walls instead of actually enjoying your pool? Do you want crystal clear water without the back-breaking work? Are you confused by all the different pool vacuum options out there? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm breaking down the 7 best pool vacuums on the market right now. I've personally tested each of these models in different pool conditions to give you the most honest, comprehensive review possible. Let's dive in. 7. INTEX Deluxe Pressure Side Pool Cleaner Vacuum. The INTEX ZX300 Deluxe Automatic Pool Cleaner is designed specifically for above-ground pools, and I've been testing this unit for the past 2 seasons. This pressure side cleaner uses the return water flow from your pool pump to power its cleaning action, which is a nice feature since it doesn't vacuum debris into your pump system. It comes with a 21-foot non-tangle hose and connects directly to your pool's return inlet. When I first set up the INTEX ZX300, I was impressed by how simple the assembly process was. All the parts needed to hook up to the return inlet are included, and the setup took less than 30 minutes. The unit has a fine mesh filter container that's designed to capture very small debris particles. I found that keeping this filter clean is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. One of the most surprising features of the INTEX ZX300 is its ability to climb pool walls. It uses a water-powered all-wheel drive system that gives it impressive wall climbing capabilities. Watching this vacuum make its way up the side walls of my pool was truly mesmerizing. It's not something you'd expect from a vacuum in this price range. The dual dirt scrubbers work effectively on both the pool floor and walls, removing fine debris all the way up to the waterline. However, after extended use, I noticed significant wear on the rotating brushes. After just about 6 hours of total operation, the brushes were approximately 35% worn down. This rapid deterioration is concerning for long-term use, and finding replacement brushes has proven to be quite challenging. Number 6. Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Vacuum. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro is a premium 5-in-1 cordless robotic pool cleaner that certainly makes a striking first impression. With its sleek metallic blue shell and contrasting matte black trim, this device looks like it belongs in a luxury pool. It boasts an impressive array of features, including 9 motors, a dual roller brush system, powerful suction capabilities, advanced filtration, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a substantial battery life. Upon unboxing the AquaSense Pro, I was immediately impressed by its build quality. The flawless finish features Japanese IMR coating technology, giving it a premium feel that justifies its high-end price point. The device is equipped with 2 large treads powered by 9 motors, allowing it to navigate the pool with precision. The massive ultra-fine filter basket system consists of 2 nesting baskets that offer high capacity and excellent filtration, collecting everything from leaves to fine dirt particles. When it comes to bottom cleaning, the AquaSense Pro performs exceptionally well. During my testing, I set it to perform a standard floor, wall, surface cleaning run, and it managed to cover each section of the pool effectively. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 9.5 hours of operation on a single charge for surface cleaning, though this drops to around 3.5 to 4 hours for mixed use in a typical pool. The charging dock is convenient, allowing for plug-free operations once set up. However, despite its advanced AI-driven mapping and obstacle avoidance capabilities, I found that the AquaSense Pro frequently gets stuck around pool steps and other obstacles. It seems to lack the intelligence to reverse direction and clear obstacles effectively, requiring manual intervention more often than I'd expect from a premium device. Number 5. Gosvor Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Gosvor Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is one of the lightest robotic pool cleaners I've ever tested, weighing in at just 10 pounds. Designed with smaller pools in mind, up to 1,076 square feet, this cleaner sits in a sweet spot between basic floor cleaners and more complex, feature-heavy robotic cleaners. It effectively cleans both the floors and walls of your pool, making it an excellent choice for above-ground pools and simple in-ground setups. What immediately stood out to me when testing the Gosvor was its incredible portability. At just 10 pounds dry weight, it's significantly lighter than most robotic cleaners on the market, making it perfect for those who might have difficulty lifting heavier units in and out of the pool. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of managing tangled cords, and the rechargeable battery provides approximately 100 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge, more than enough for smaller pools. During my testing, I was impressed by the Gosvor's climbing abilities. It easily reached the waterline of my 5-foot-tall pool and even climbed slightly above it. The self-parking feature is another convenient addition. When the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery runs low, the cleaner automatically returns to the side of the pool for easy retrieval. The filter bag is simple to remove and clean, effectively capturing both large debris like leaves and finer particles like sand and dust. The Gosvor is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a plug-and-play type of cleaner. There's no weekly timer or smart app functionality. You simply hold down the power button for a few seconds, place it in the pool, and let it do its thing. Number 4. Betta SE Solar-Powered Smart Robotic Pool Skimmer. The Betta SE Solar-Powered Smart Robotic Pool Skimmer represents a unique approach to pool maintenance, focusing specifically on surface cleaning. This redesigned model boasts enhanced durability and reliability through new technology and materials, including twin salt chlorine-tolerant (SCT) motors that automatically clean the pool surface by removing debris like leaves, dust, pollen, insects, and pet hair. What immediately impressed me about the Betta SE was its incredible energy efficiency. The Aquadynamics design enables an exceptional 30-plus hours of continuous cleaning on a single charge, even on cloudy or rainy days. During my testing, I found this claim to be accurate. The device continued to operate effectively, even during several overcast days. The rapid recharge time of just 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight ensures uninterrupted cleaning without the need for daily recharging, making it perfect for busy pool owners. The cordless, solar-powered design eliminates the hassle of managing power cords or worrying about electrical safety around water. The wireless remote control allows for easy mode switching, giving you control over the cleaning process without having to retrieve the device from the pool. I found the ultrasonic radar sensors particularly effective at detecting obstacles and guiding the Betta SE to efficiently clean the entire pool surface without getting stuck. The large fine mesh, 200mm debris basket with a top handle makes emptying collected debris effortless. There's no need to remove the Betta SE from the water. Simply dock it, open the cover, and empty the debris basket. This design feature saved me significant time and effort compared to other skimmers I've used in the past. 3. AIPER Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The AIPER Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner brings cordless convenience to pool maintenance with a streamlined design that eliminates the hassle of dealing with tangled cords or hoses. Designed for pools up to 1,600 square feet, this cleaner works efficiently and independently to clean pools of all types, including concrete, fiberglass, vinyl, and tile surfaces. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry to and from the pool without needing a caddy. Setting up the Scuba S1 is remarkably simple. There's no need for an app to start a cleaning cycle. By pressing the Start button, you can cycle through several cleaning modes including floor, wall, automatic, and eco. During my testing, I started with the auto mode and was immediately impressed by how effectively it climbed the pool walls. It routinely scaled the sides stopped at the pool's edge and allowed the roller brushes to spin for a few cycles, providing thorough cleaning all the way to the waterline. The Scuba S1 navigates pools of various shapes impressively well. As I let it run for its full 150-minute battery life, I observed that it managed to reach most areas of my uniquely shaped pool, maneuvering through corners, angles, and various obstacles with ease. The quick water release drainage system makes it easy to remove from the pool without making a mess, and the 3.5-liter filter basket provides ample capacity for debris collection during a complete cleaning cycle. 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a standout robotic pool cleaner designed for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet in length. Equipped with dual scrubbing brushes and an independent suction system, this cleaner effectively removes debris from both pool floors and walls. What sets it apart is its smart navigation system, which guides its cleaning pattern to ensure thorough coverage regardless of pool shape, from rectangular to kidney-shaped designs. During my 6-week testing period during peak summer pool season, I was consistently impressed by the Nautilus CC Plus's cleaning performance. Its powerful suction effectively removes dirt, leaves, and debris from the pool, leaving the water noticeably clearer and fresher. The cleaner's ability to climb walls is exceptional. It easily scales vertical surfaces to clean all the way to the waterline, ensuring comprehensive cleaning of the entire pool surface. One of the most user-friendly features of the Nautilus CC Plus is its filter system. Unlike many pool cleaners that make filter cleaning a dreaded chore, this model features dual filter baskets that are easily accessed from the top of the robot. Cleaning these filters is almost as simple as cleaning a dryer lint trap. Just remove the baskets, empty the debris, and rinse them clean. The design of the filter containers with interchangeable panels eliminates any confusion when reassembling them, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. 1. Dolphin Proteus DX4 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Proteus DX4 stands as the pinnacle of robotic pool cleaning technology, offering an unmatched combination of cleaning efficiency, smart features, and user convenience. This premium cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet in length and comes equipped with PowerStream technology, which creates a multi-directional water flow for superior grip on vertical surfaces and more effective cleaning of stubborn grime. The 60-foot cord with an anti-tangle swivel ensures the cleaner can reach every corner of your pool without frustrating cord tangles. What immediately sets the Proteus DX4 apart is its intelligent scanning system. As I observed during testing, this cleaner doesn't just move randomly, it actually scans your pool to determine the most efficient cleaning route, ensuring thorough coverage of every surface. The active scrubbing brush rotates at twice the speed of the robot, effectively removing algae, bacteria, and biofilm that other cleaners might miss. This feature was particularly impressive when tackling stubborn algae spots that had resisted previous cleaning attempts. The top-loading filtration system is a game-changer for maintenance. The integrated filtration basket is easily accessible from the top of the unit, making debris removal quick and clean. Unlike bottom access filters that can spill debris back into the pool during removal, this design keeps everything contained until you're ready to dispose of it. The fine mesh filters effectively capture both large debris and fine particles, leaving your pool water noticeably clearer after each cleaning cycle. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 7 best pool vacuums on the market today. Whether you're looking for an affordable entry-level option or a premium cleaner with all the bells and whistles, there's something on this list for every pool owner. Remember, the right pool vacuum can save you countless hours of manual cleaning and help keep your pool in pristine condition all season long. Thanks for watching, and happy swimming!